Hello from Cars FIX Sevt AUTO. In this video clip we're gonna talk about thermostatic expansion valve, or it's TXV or TEV. The aim of the thermostatic expansion valve is to regulate the amount of refrigerant or the freon that flows to the evaporator and in air conditioning system at all. The primary goal, the primary aim of the TXV is to maintain proper superheat, the temperature above the freon boiling point at the evaporator outlet. How the TXV works, I'm going to explain that step by step. There is a sensing bulb which measures the temperature at the exit of the evaporator. The bulb is filled with charge similar to the system freon. Is attached to the outlet of the evaporator coil. When the freon leaves the evaporator, the bulb senses the temperature of it, and then bulb's pressure acts to diaphragm on that's the bulb. When change the temperature, the pressure is going expand, going to diaphragm, which press that spring and open the needle, which allow freon, liquid freon, going into the evaporator. If the temperature in the outlet of the evaporator going up, increase, the fluid that's inside the bulb, when it's increase, the fluid inside the bulb expands. That's create pressure. It's create pressure which transfer through the capillary tube to diaphragm inside the TXV valve. Valves open and close. When this diaphragm push the spring, the needle will open, or the pin will open, and valve allowed more liquid freon to flow into the evaporator. Spring underneath apply opposite pressure to balance the system. Now the valve modulate to maintain the small amount of superheat, ensuring that all liquid freon evaporates before to reach the compressor. Otherwise, that may cause damage to the compressor. To receive maximum cooling efficiency in the system, in the air conditioning system. Key force inside the TX valve, it's a bulb pressure, that's opening force. Evaporator pressure is closing force, and spring pressure is closing force. When the opening force, the bulb pressure exceed the closing force, the valves open and more freon, liquid freon going into the evaporator. There's different types of TXV valves. Then can be based on equalization method. The internally equalized TXV that measures pressure at the valve, which measures the pressure at the valve outlet. Use it when pressure drop across the evaporator is minimal. It's a similar design, fewer connection. And the other one is externally equalized TXV valve. To use it, it's used in the system with significant pressure drop across the evaporator. More accurate superheat control. And the other one, it's based, the other types, they're based on the sensing element. TXV with sensing bulb, that's a remote bulb, which is at the outlet of the evaporator. That's the most common type of TXV valve, on which bulb is trapped at the evaporator outlet pipe. And TXV with internal sensor. It's that sensing is integrated inside the valve body. It's used only in the small system. It's less accurate. And the other kind of TXV valve, it's based on adjustability. That's with fixed superheat. They are factory calibrated, and they can't no filter adjustment. And the other ones are adjustable superheat TXV. They have adjustment screw and allows tuning to system requirements. Thank you very much for visiting our channel. We have two channels. The one is that one, Cars FIX Sevt AUTO, and the other one, it's Peter's Garage. Thank you again.